So you will go to the Matter homepage, and then you're going to click on Student and Parents, Student Links, Go Math. Here you will make sure we have the state entered, the district, and your school. I will always remember my school. Here you will enter your username and your password. Usernames is usually first initial last name. Password is Matter1. Log in. You will click on things to do, and it will show all the assignments. Once the assignment is completed, you will click on done, and it will get sent to me for grading.